try those just a second.
Wow, these are some nice halibut.
Yeah, let's just throw them back. Yeah.
Nice fit.
Yeah, they are.
Kind of right next to this one, I guess, now. And then try to make some room. We'll let that big one hang for just a few more minutes. Yeah, they're grabbing one, but I don't know if they even want photos or anything. Yeah, let me do this fresh stuff for you guys. Just run them up.
She doesn't want them super heavy, George. Be happy you're not touching these. They're quite cold.
They square up with you?
Very cold. Not yet.
She's unreal.
How many did you say? 15 or 14?
She's so unreal.
Hammering on them.
Hey, Whitney, could I get you to write an invoice, please? Homer fish invoice for these gentlemen in front of me. Yes, sir. You guys wanted these sent for vacuum packing and freezing, right?
Yes, ma'am.
We've got Homer Fish's invoices here. We can write you up a ticket for that.
Okay.
And then we charge $6 a halibut for filleting. How many did you say you had?
14.
14. Okay.
It's getting on my table, but I think I need to make a little room. If you want to just,
Casper had them for a second. Okay, a bigger fillet table.
Is that yours right there? Does it have belly gaps on it? Or is it that one there? This one is a little bigger.
You guys aren't trying to like separate them out, right?
No.
Yeah, whoever wants
Oh, this is mine.
Yeah.
to talk to Whitney, he's got a Homer fish tag right there.
You guys want to throw one in there? Yeah, thanks.
Last name?
Teall.
Phone number?
5
One halibut and 2 cheeks in a bag.
94.
Halibut, right?
Yeah.
1 pound?
Yes.
And skin on. Skin on. Pick it up in a couple days.
Another week and a half. Okay.
Yep.
You guys said 2 fillets, 1 and 1. Is that right?
How many halibut was it?
14.
14.
You guys?
14 booties.
Numbers on the back and address on the back.
I don't need to do anything. Bring it back?
No, you'll just, when you go there to pick it up, yeah, you can.
Right.
Yeah.
How long they skin off?
The last one I gave me. Yep.
You want me to skin this one for tonight's fish, or?
Oh, just for Homer fish?
Yeah.
Okay. I thought we were going.
Yeah, they're similar, yeah. They're just off the spit, yeah.
Thank you, Eddie. And then if you don't mind, you
Back,
can charge
in the
them.
back.
14 times 6. Thank you.
So you guys want to do cash and card on the card?
Get a little room.
Yeah, you got a table full. Right.
Sorry, I thought my egg would be big enough. Yes, not.
Yeah, not big.
I knew there was some extras. It makes sense. So it's cheaper to have, it's way cheaper to have these guys do it.
I can run that real quick, we'll get back.
Oh, we got a little peek. Yes, sir.
Trying to find room to fill.
I can give you the full carcasses if you have a cooler.
Hey, look, you can have a fish.
I don't have time to.
You ever end up?
Yeah, bring a cooler. I'll fill it up.
I need to do mine.
You guys don't want your fish carcasses, do ya?
No,
Okay, I'm gonna give them away.
thanks.
Yeah, that'd be nice. Number 805.
Okay, there's
No, my son does.
Oh, okay. We gotta give him one of our business cards because we're not, I don't know if you guys are planning on any more trips. We're not necessarily always down here, so sometimes it's nice to give a call ahead to make sure.
Okay, yeah, we're using his boat, so
oh, yeah.
we just have one more day.
There we go. Well, might as well. You can just give us a heads up, and then we'll make sure that we're here. Chances are we probably are, but
chances are we might not have as many fish either because it's gonna be windy tomorrow.
It was a good day today.
Yeah, they were active today.
Split cheeks, 5 bags, 5-way split on cheeks.
We got these guys in about 2 hours. Amazing.
Yeah, wow.
Broke off a bunch too.
so you got all these in 2 hours?
Yeah.
You were in the right spot.
Yeah, I think so. Right at the slack tide, you know.
Yeah.
You need a knife to grab my bag. Yeah.
So you say if we're gonna go fishing tomorrow, we'll call you up and say we're gonna be back about.
Yeah, you can call me up. I mean, I love the way you guys did it today, bringing it to us. But if you want, we do pick up from the bottom of ramp 1 too. So.
Oh, that's okay.
Oh, that would have been nice.
We got Connor.
Yeah. But I won't say no to fish when they show up. That's kind of makes our job easier. But yeah, just especially if you're getting back just really early or really late. We're pretty much always here this time of day.
What time do you guys close otherwise? Or what time do you like to go
we accept fish 12 to 6.
Yeah.
So if you're in that window, then you're golden. But yeah, sometimes it's nice just for staffing purposes. Like we don't always have all of us on the clock, and if we have a good idea of who's coming in, then we can call in reinforcements if needed.
Okay, even if it was after 6?
Oh, if it's after 6, then you should probably come before 6 because we might not catch your fish. Because we usually only accept fish from 12 to 6.
So I mean, we caught our own fish last night.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I mean, you can always double check. Some nights, tomorrow night we might be here a little later. We have a big combo boat coming back, so if you're coming back after 6 o'clock, if you're able to bring it to us and we're here, then that's fine.
Okay, no, we'll give you a call then.
We're pretty flexible.
No, we had the raw fish. If you love fishing, please subscribe. Two small halibuts.
Yeah.
Hey, every boat is $100. You never know.
Thank you.
Keep saying that.
Was it just men? Was it just the minimum? Huh? Yeah.
So we go inside?
Where's Parker and those guys?
I don't know, probably inside drinking.
Yeah, I was like,
I see you're doing this big work.
pizza, huh? You see all the fish coming in? Look at that. They take it down.
Well, I ain't got a bag.
Two of these fish.
Yeah. Okay. Do you care which two?
He'll tell you which ones they are.
I can put them in a trash bag.
That would be great.
Yeah. Point them out to me and
Which
I'll...
one was Connor? I don't want to see.
This one's got one cut on the tail. I don't know if that means anything.
Yeah.
It's got a little notch on the tail.
That's where they, yeah, they got a double hook.
Oh, you got
That's the double. That one's fine.
this one?
Other thing.
I mean, I can give you this one in the bag, no problem. I could even pull the cheek out right here. This one, and then
Pick another.
Yeah.
another one. Those two? Perfect.
Yeah.
They're like,
They're all nice fish.
Mama, we're
Yeah,
taking
they are.
off.
We got one yellow and one,
Yeah.
like 45 more minutes and then Bell goes to release. I think it lasts like 20 minutes. It's like we're out.
That's awesome. It happens.
If you guys want to rinse your cooler out, you're more than welcome to do so. You can just pull it next to our drain right there. Use our hoses.
All right, let's go. George, how are you doing? Thank you.
Thank you, Jesse. Nice job today. Bubbly. Oh yeah, I think they're inside the cooler.
Is your other shirt person here yet?
I can't believe how easy it was.
Okay.
No, I said
Well, we can
the
do a
2 years ago now when we first moved up here.
Yeah, they had 100.
And I went up to Parker Company and I butchered
He was on that road by his
man, I butchered this. This is what I did was butcher it.
It's hard to do that.
A lot of
There's been a lot of disappointed people.
I got it all one piece, but you could see where the saw marks and everything.
Is your other shirt person here now?
I think he's in there, yeah?
Okay, good. I'm gonna get a couple.
I think he's in there. He's the guy with the goatee.
It's all good.
Thank you, Jesse. Yeah, I went out with my Uncle Joe the other day, and all we could do was catch fish that were like 10 pounds, and we only got 5 of them in 4 hours. It was brutal.
Wow, that quick. Yeah. Pop it off.
Okay, yeah, whatever. Whatever works for you works for me.
Oh, I just went on the speed.
That's the fun one.
Yeah.
Well, not today.
Right across the road.
Okay, well, right.
That's why I bring in a cooler for
How far away is the van?
fish.
Cool. I got 4 miles. Thank you.
There, yeah, you better. Yeah, you're welcome.
All right, I got my other shirts.
All right.
You got money in this thing. Don't forget it.
Oh, thank you so much. You didn't have to do that.
So yeah, I'll see what I can do with these videos.
I was gonna say, are we gonna be rich or what?
Maybe one day.
All right. Let me know.
All right, enjoyed it. Good to meet you. If you love fishing, please subscribe.